Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can change your email on Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my Shopify dashboard and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of these sections. You're going to find the home section, orders, products, customers, and content. You're going to find analytics and marketing and discount. Here under sales channels, you're going to find online store and also point of sale. And here you're going to find your apps. And lastly, here in the bottom, you're going to find settings. Go ahead and click on settings. And then once you do that, you're going to be right here in this page. Once here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find all of these sections. You're going to find the general section, plan, buy link, users and permissions, payments, and so on. Make sure you're here in the general section, and then you're going to find store details. So just go here next to your store name, click on this pen icon, and then you're going to be right here. As you can see, guys, here you can change your store details. You can change your store name. For example, I'm going to change it to tutorial store like this. And then you can also add your store phone, and then here you're going to find store email. As you can see, guys, right here, just type the new email that you want to change to. And then once you do that, just click on save, and then just wait for it to load. And as you can see, guys, here in the bottom, it says settings are saved. So this is it, guys. So this is basically how you can change your email. As you can see, guys, you can also change your buy link address from here. Just click right here and then add your address. As you can see, guys, also right here, you can change some other details. Store defaults, here you're going to find order ID and so on. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.